Hello everybody and welcome back to the Virtual Simmer YouTube channel. Hopefully everybody's having a great day. And today we are on Westby, Wisconsin, Forex episode 48. Last episode we have wrapped up corn harvest. So corn harvest is complete. Now in this episode we are going to be jumping right into some soybean harvest, which we have a lot of acres of soybeans to do. So, no time to dilly-dally. Let's just get right into it. Jump into Combine 1 here. So, we are going to be jumping in to this 9870 that we purchased last year. And this was the second year of harvest for these combines. And we got 12-row corn headers, which of course you saw in the last episode, and then we have 40-foot drapers for these. So I think my best bet is to park the header carts here, and I'll probably knock out this field and the next field. Maybe not. See if we can get through that path there on the road, but we'll see. But that's a later problem. So plan is to time lapse on this field 71 here. So I'm gonna get the combines ready to roll. I shouldn't or don't think I have any courseplay courses for this courseplay course or 40-foot drapers yet. I think I do for cornhead because there was corn on this field last year, but not for soybeans. So let's make a course here, but let's double check first. Field 71. Nope, no cornhead. And did I still have? No, I don't. Okay, cool. So let's make a course here, because course play is good. Let's pick the right spot here. That helps. 40 foot, actually. Kind of cheat a little and get away with a little more, typically. 40.7 seems good to me. Why is it change my field position every time? That's a little unfortunate. Longest edge, we'll do 4 because it's a small field. The log may have more information. What in the world is that supposed to mean? 2 tools, yes. Yes. Well, that is weird. So I'm gonna come back with a course that I'll figure out, I guess. This one's not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to play with this for a minute, but then I will come back when we're ready to jump right into it. Okay, well, we got the course figured out. Now I just need to save it. I'm not sure exactly what's going on, to be honest. I just brought this other second combine down and tried it. It worked with that one. And then I tried it again with this one and it worked, so not gonna complain, it works. I didn't, oh, actually I can do this. I already saved it. Silly me. There we go. Right. First waypoint. Boom. Let him eat. Alright, cool. Cool. We are on our way now. Actually gonna go nearest waypoint. Not gonna have it do that turn. Hopefully it goes to the right line. Perfect. So now I'm gonna get, actually it's too soon to get the truck down here. Actually they should be most of the way around the field by the time he would get down here anyways, but we'll give it a few more, like another 30 seconds honestly. So he lines up on the end, the corner, like lines up right there, weird, where that point is, so, and then when they go around it's kind of going to be in the way, but yeah, so I'm going to start a time lapse, and hopefully everybody enjoys the first field of soybeans and the time lapse. Okay, well, first field of soybeans is complete. And there is a good few spots, now that I have bigger heads, that this combines miss, which is unfortunate. Now the corners are kind of just courseplay thing, but one in here, and then there was a good spot down here. So I'm gonna have to do some smoothing for, well, next year it's corn, so it won't be so bad with 30-foot heads, 12-row corn heads. But the year after that, and 2 years again for beans, it will be a struggle. So I'm gonna try and smooth them out a little bit, those few spots, just so it's a little bit better for next time. And then, yeah, we'll get into the next field. So hopefully everybody enjoyed the time lapse. We only got a truckloads as 1,055 bushels, so then plus another, let's call this 400. So we got like 1,450 bushels ish from this field, which is not that many, but that's alright. It all adds up in the end, so. Sweet. One field done, 3 to go. And then harvest is complete, but this field's gonna take me probably 4 or 5 hours. Even with soybeans, probably 6 with corn. But oh well, that's a next year problem. Let's see if we can make it through here. Oh yeah, plenty of room. Plenty of room. Not even close to not making it. Perfect. So yeah, I'm going to knock out the rest of these 3 fields, which it's gonna take me forever. So I started at 7 in the morning here. So we'll see how long it takes me to complete all of my soybean fields for the year. Which, if I'm done by noon in-game, I would be very impressed. But I highly doubt it. We'll see what happens. So we'll come back with the final tally of soybeans and how long it took. Okay, soybean harvest is complete. Let's take a look at the map here. The yield was great, obviously, because I just limed this year. And yeah, let's take a look at what we ended up with. I'll be honest, I haven't looked at any of this. Besides the corn, obviously, I've looked at. So there's still 25,000 liters, or bushels of corn to dry. And we ended up with just shy of 22,000 bushels of soybeans. Which is that's a lot of soybeans, holy. And yeah, we got all the trucks back in place. But I am going to do this for a second. I made a decision where I'm not going to be storing anything in this farmyard. Going too slow. I'm not going to be storing anything here because it's just too small of sheds. I could put a few things here, but it's kind of an awkward spot. So I decided I'm going to get rid of all this, all the trees, all the buildings, and just extend this cornfield out to line up with this. And then I can use this field for something as well. So that is the plan. I'm going to knock that out quick, and then we're going to start plowing. So yeah, I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to fast forward to November, actually, and then we'll start plowing. So I'm going to have to get into Giants Editor and clean some of this stuff up, because these power lines and stuff are going to be in the way. I'm going to get rid of all of that. So yeah, I'll be back when the map is transformed a little bit and we're in November. Okay, well, we are in November, and as you can see, this farm is now cleared out and ready to make into a field, or well, add on to this field. I don't know, I just didn't feel like the sheds were big enough for nothing, so whatever. I wasn't parking nothing there anyways, like I said I was gonna, so not gonna now. And I completely forgot, I was too focused on getting rid of all this, that this harvest actually, with the 240-foot heads at 6 miles an hour, only took 3 hours to do this whole monster field. Which I thought was pretty solid, actually. It was like, what did I say, 4 hours? I meant 3, if I said 4. 3 hours. It only took 3 hours, so it really wasn't that bad. Surprisingly enough. I thought it'd be not much worse, but I thought it'd be a good amount worse. But that's right. We got through it anyways, and we got all our soybeans off the field, so that's all that matters. You reap what you sow. So, yeah, and now, this is time to do some fall tillage. Get some of this groundwork, and I'm still get all my speed. Good grief. So I was, oh, okay. So I was going to buy a new tractor to pull this plow, but I decided and looked at my money and spent it all out, or not spent it all, I pulled out all the loan I could take, and then I decided upon that, which I didn't have as much as I thought I did, in the loan, because I still have, like, $1.4 million, in debt right now, so, holy, jump out of GPS enough. But yeah, so 1.4 million in debt, and I could only take up 2.1, I think, ish. But, so yeah, and I decided I was not gonna buy that tractor. I would say what tractor it is, but then kind of give it away for when I get it next year, I think, will be the plan for that one. But we'll see. It'll probably happen next year. But for now, we're gonna rock the 9630 one more year on the plow, which works out totally fine. So, yeah, we're gonna start some plowing, and I'm gonna jump right into a time lapse as well right now. So, hopefully everybody enjoys the time lapse. Okay, well, that field is way faster than I remember, but I'm not opposed. That works with me. Works with me. So, let's check out the map here. Turns needs rolling off. We don't roll on this map. And weeds, that's annoying. So yeah, now we got these 2 fields left of the 3. And then we'll be done plowing with some fall tillage here. So, but I am going to start plowing this big monster field. And then I will come back after we are done with plowing both fields. And we'll probably wrap up the video then. So, we'll see you here in a moment. Alright. We have finished plowing and ready to work on the next thing. Heck yeah. So, we got all plowing knocked out, obviously. Turn weeds back on, see what we got. Just full over in these fields. And yeah, I am deciding when I want to buy this chunk of land. I'm not exactly sure yet, but I'm for sure going to be buying it after we sell corn, which is going to be in the next video, but not right now, because I want to buy this so I can get all these cow barns, and then most of this is in grass, which I'll make probably all of this in grass. I don't know, probably. I don't see why I wouldn't, to be honest. So, yeah, that is going to be a lot of grass. So, yeah, that is the plan for probably, that might be next episode, because when do we sell corn here? I think it's December. Dry corn, boom. December, yep. So, that's when I'll be coming back at the start of next video. Because November, December, so next month. Be selling corn. And after that, we kind of just skip through winter and go right to March, which is probably when I will be pulling the trigger on getting that new land with a bunch of cow barns and grass, which is going to be awesome. And as you can see, I got this all tidied up, plowed, and that's what I need to do. I have to take a new soil sample of the map, because it's changed just barely. Let's take a look at this, actually. Yep, see, now it's all filled in there, so. Unfold this thing. And drop her down, take 1 sample, because I have it to do the whole map. Gotta love XML files, they're great. Just gotta change some numbers, super easy. Works out very well every time. Guess I've had no problems. Sweet. Heck yeah, we got that done too. That's awesome. But yeah, I think I'm going to call it a video here. So hopefully everybody enjoyed the rest of harvest and also some plowing. So hopefully everybody enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video to start selling some corn and buy some new land maybe. So yeah, hopefully everybody enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.